When you get a problem on standard deviation and HUX, I find it much easier to just do it in Excel. Some of the problems have a copy data button, which is awesome. Then once you've hit copy data, you just go here and you go paste and it's all there. If you want to get it tells you that it's a sample, so we can just go right over here. Let me expand so you can see the formula bar. We go over here, we tell it that we want right there the more functions, standard deviation here. Now I need to show you what it says below there. Let me see if I can bring this up. Yeah. It tells you that this is the sample standard deviation. The moment the P would be the regular standard deviation, population standard deviation. We want sample standard deviation. We say OK. It asks us where do we want this data from. I'm going to go ahead and tell it we want the data from here. Let me show you exactly what that is. There. Hold on, I did that wrong. Let's do it one more time because I highlighted too much stuff. And now you can see everything. So here we go. We're going to go here. We're going to go more functions, standard deviation, OK. And now I'm going to tell it we want it to be from A1, not going down further. There we go. A1 to K1, OK. It gives us 5.4372, blah, blah. And here it's said to round to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So that's 5.44. We need to round that 3 up to a 4. And there we go. So hopefully that'll save you some headache time in your calculations.